Okay guys, welcome back to the second part of how to fixing the door for your 2004 to 2008 or 2009 Ford pickup. You need to remove the covers. In the first video we show you how to open it. Now in this video we're going to show you the parts that you need to replace in order for your door to work properly. Bebe right here is going to show you the parts that you need.
Stop it. Here we have these four things. These go right here.
One back here.
Yeah, one back here and one.
Another one up here.
Yeah,
and there's a secret one down here.
here.
You have to take this off. And
And
you
then
see the wire.
Yes.
Follow it and there's a little okay, it's down here.
Yes.
Okay, so as you heard it from the guys, you need to
Hello?
replace those four little things. You can buy them from eBay for less than $10, and once you replace them, your door is gonna be back to normal. So let's get back to it. Hello, welcome back. This is the last of the video on how to fixing the door. As we said in the second video, you can buy these parts from eBay for less than $10. There's 4 pieces in the package, and one of them is slightly different from the other ones. And why? Because that one goes on the top. Would you show them to me?
These are good. This is the same as this one. This is the same as this one and this one. But this one is slightly different.
Where that one goes?
It goes all the way up here.
Okay, the one that is different that goes on the top. It goes right there. He's showing you right now.
How to put it on.
Does it go like this?
So
As you see that we put all the things together. One, the second one down here, and there's another one right here, and this one right here. They're hard to push in, so I suggest use a channel lock. After all your parts are replaced, you are going to want to put the box back in and put your cover back in. Back on. And you're finished. All you have to do now is put all your parts, put all the plastic back where it was.